Two teenaged boys have been arrested and charged following a video circulating on social media which shows an apparent gang attack on another male student at Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland. The school has since taken action against all the boys implicated in the incident, but the police are redoubling efforts to address crime and violence in schools. Krista Campbell has that story.
Godfrey Stewart High School in Westmoreland back in the news once again under less than positive circumstances. This video circulating on social media causing the latest highlight and prompting a media release from the police promising increased interventions to stem rising violence in schools. The police say there will be special focus on school gangs, specifically at Godfrey Stewart, where two suspected members have been arrested and charged since this video recording for robbery with aggravation and unlawful wounding. The police release says the incidents happened between last week Thursday and Friday. The video recording showing several teenaged boys confronting another male student and one of them using a machete to hit him all over his body. Police say the boy was also robbed of cash. Now all the boys involved in the incident have been suspended, but head of the Westmoreland Police, Senior Superintendent Wayne Josephs, says much more has to be done.
We currently have school resource officers that are deployed on a daily basis to these schools, and we are not only talking to students, we are also talking to parents and members of staff. We have since had a meeting or had meetings with the school chairman, the principal, the guidance counselor and the school psychologist, and in order to chart the way forward.
He says the Victim Support Unit, Community Safety and Security Branch of the police force, as well as the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, will also help with sensitization sessions at the school.
We have since contacted the counter gang unit at CTAC, which they have a tailor-made program for this kind of behavior within schools. And they will be coming down to have some lectures within at Godfrey Stewart and going forward with other schools.
And the police are going a step further.
It's unfortunate that we will now have to be considering to having random operations within these schools, because it has reached a stage now where even a security guard at a school gate can't even ask these students to open their bag because they are afraid because of the deviant kind of behavior that these students display within these schools.
Meanwhile, a call for parents to be more positively engaged in their children's lives.
Don't just drop off your children at school and leave every day. You must go into the schools randomly, speak with the principal, speak with the farm teacher, the guidance counselor, dean of discipline. Know what your children are doing within schools, because a lot of these students come from decent family homes, and because of peer pressure they get involved in all kind of deviant activities, but when they go back home they don't display this kind of behavior. So the only way that you're gonna know is if you keep in touch with what is happening with your children in school.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.